Here we come to the elevators at 111 Main Garage in downtown Houston, Texas, which this was formerly a Sakowitz department store. Skyvader just recently filmed these elevators, and I actually discovered these elevators back in 2018, but I didn't think about filming them because of the slap-on mod. But now realizing that they still got some original history to it, I figured, why not? So let's ride, here we go. Oh wow, look at this. It's an Otis, installed in 1951. Oh, this is exactly like your typical department store style elevator. Oh, that chime. I love that chime. Hanny, you are right. This elevator is still amazing. Innovation decorator mod. See, look at this. They converted this whole thing into a parking garage, and right now this place is under construction, so we're not gonna camp out here. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is a beauty. This was still worth checking out. See if it has classic leveling. Oh yeah, it does. The chime in the basement is the only one that's still original. See, that right there is your original floor indicator, but unfortunately no longer works. I really wish they kept the original floor indicator working and added these on, but otherwise it's still a tasteful mod. I think the motor is still original. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and send this up and we'll get the other elevator card. See if this one works. No, unfortunately, I don't think it does. I don't hear it coming. Unfortunately, the other elevator card does not work, so I think we'll take for one more ride and that'll be it. Alright, let's head back down to one end there. This obviously had black button fixtures long ago before. this is still nonetheless worth checking out. Hanny, I'm glad you still told me about this because I almost literally forgot about it. Get one last detail cavity of this old beauty. And I absolutely love that original indicator. Very department store stylish looking elevator. All right, there it goes. And that's it.